we'll guide you through how to manage your Vercel bill effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to the Vercel dashboard by logging into your account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner where you'll see your profile picture or initials. Click on that to open the drop-down menu, then select Billing from the options. This will take you to the Billing Overview page where you can see your current plan, usage, and previous invoices. To update your payment method, look for the Payment Methods section. Here, you can add a new credit card or update existing details by clicking on the Edit button next to the card information. If you want to view your billing history, scroll down to the Invoices section where all your past invoices are listed. You can download them in PDF format by clicking the download icon next to each invoice, which is handy for keeping records. In case you want to change your plan, go back to the Billing Overview and click on Plans. Here, you can compare different plans and select the one that suits your needs by clicking Upgrade or Downgrade. Vercel will guide you through the process, and any changes will be reflected in your next billing cycle. Remember, managing your bill effectively helps you avoid unexpected charges and ensures you're on the right plan for your usage. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.